insanely bad day for people that are in Europe. Basically, Donald Trump himself launched a token, which is insane. The president of the United States actually launched his own meme coin on Solana. And why this is bad day for Europeans is because he launched at night for Europeans, basically when everyone was sleeping. Even if you are going to sleep at 3 a.m., you miss this because basically I was sleeping. It was 5 a.m. in my country when he was launching his meme coin. That's why there is no way I could buy it. And congrats to everyone that is from USA or from China, maybe. That's why what I want to talk about is even if you didn't get into meme coin, the Trump meme coin, look at the numbers. 33 million people saw this. There will be many influencers, MAGA supporters that will be launching their own meme coins, because if the president himself is launching a token, there will be so many people coming in this space. Also, Trump has his own NFTs. He has like, I think 50,000 or 40,000 NFTs. That's why overall this is a great moment for this whole space. First time we have a United States president bullish. And looking at the tokenomics, which is important, you always have to look at tokenomics. It looks like there will be unlocks in 3 months, the first unlocks in 3 months, which means that right now these big holders, big whales, insiders cannot dump on you. That's why the next 3 months could be quite bullish for this coin. And the fact is that 80% of supply is held by insiders. That's why it is bearish, but looking at the fact that 3 months is the time that they cannot unlock is quite bullish, which means that price could go up, and next 3 months will be the most bullish for crypto. Okay, this year it's different because president is actually bullish on crypto. This has never happened before. All the previous years, the countries were bearish, banks were bearish on crypto. That's why no one can even expect or understand what will happen. But looking at the fact that 0% at TGE, which means that right now, people that are insiders and holders, they cannot unlock anything. They will get unlocks at 3 months. And yeah, go on there on the official website. There are the tokenomics. Look for yourself. Quite bullish. And I want to remind you that in 2016, let's look at the chart. I will show you something really, really amazing. So if you are looking at the history, you can see Trump was president for the first time in 2016. And here you can see we had a huge bull run, really huge bull run. First time I went into crypto. Even if Trump wasn't bullish on crypto, he was actually quite mad at crypto. He said that US dollar is most important and that crypto is scam, Bitcoin is garbage, basically. Even with all that, we went into a massive bull run. Many people remember this. Bitcoin was like in all of the news. So that was pretty huge, right? Now, we are going to 2021, 2022 bull run. You can see that Biden basically took the president's spot, the Biden's administration, which was the worst on crypto. There were many people debanked from basically banking sector. Many people couldn't basically access their banks because Biden and his administration basically was garbage. But still, we went onto basically full-on crypto bull run for the next 2 years, which is insane. And now, first time in the history, president is bullish, countries are bullish. The biggest corporation, BlackRock, is bullish. That's why don't underestimate. Trump will be taking the office in 3 days on Monday. That's why if you didn't basically get early in this meme coin, go in this space, look for opportunities. This will be insane year. I predict 250,000 for Bitcoin, most likely in late 2025, early 2026. Maybe this could be the longest bull run for, I think it could go on for 4 years. Because again, this first time actually president is bullish on crypto. There could be even a Bitcoin reserves for country, for USA. Uh, that's why all the other countries will be following, because it's mostly, it's usually what happens. USA starts something, EU follows, and everyone follows because they have to. That's why hyper bullish. And again, if you didn't get early, just look at the numbers on his Truth Social right here, 33 million, probably 50 million in total. That's how this will be. This will make shockwaves throughout this crypto industry. So much funding will go into crypto. I already see NFTs get like $12 million in funding, few projects that I will be talking in my next video. And the bullish fact is that in 2021, which was the NFT bull run, in January, there were probably 0 NFT projects that got funding. And right now we are in mid-January. There are NFT projects that are getting millions or millions of dollars in funding. That's why don't fade NFTs. Follow the money. If there is funding going into NFTs and crypto bull run is just starting, it will be huge. And again, I am talking about early projects, early opportunities on my Patreon. The link is in the description. If you want to join, I am posting daily, multiple times. There's so much to post. That's why I am posting. Overall, really huge day. And here you can see one of the biggest NFT collectors, Pranksy on Twitter, is saying the next 4 years are going to be ridiculous. I totally agree, because again, first time in history, I think people don't even, they cannot even understand that the previous 2 bull runs were so huge. And I remember the euphoria, how great it felt every day, so many opportunities to make money. And this is the, like, president supporting crypto. He's creating his own meme coins. That's why don't fade this space, don't fade crypto. Even you could even find a job in this crypto space, and be basically exposed to this industry, get a huge connections just working in this space. That's why really, really bullish. And again, if you want to get early alpha, you can follow me on Patreon. I'm posting multiple times a day. There's so much to post. And again, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.